In addition to all the conversation we've had about resources and technology, I do want to draw your attention to the Levelset community. One of my favorite parts is the actual community itself. So one of the things that I really would have loved when I was starting out a really long time ago was having that content. It was really hard to search for, and it was always in a hardbound book. This is something I can research at my fingers. So whether it's lien rights management, and I can have that automated. I'm not tracking it by an Excel spreadsheet. I'm not tracking it by Post-it notes on the wall or a giant whiteboard or a magnet board or however you're managing your lien rights now. I'm able to have that deadline, that paperwork, all managed somewhere where it's easy for me to get to, letting me focus on paying attention to my customers and my salesmen and getting those orders out the door. There's also the payment profiles. Hey, if someone's hitting a snag, I want to be able to pop that name in there real quick and see in real time what my peers are talking about, what people just like me doing my job are saying about our mutual customer. You know, maybe there's something going on and that's going to give me some insight that I'm not going to see in a typical credit report. I'm going to get that real conversation behind it that's just not so static. And then again, back to the community. That's my favorite part of Levelset is the community piece. I want to be able to connect with attorneys, with experts in the field. I want to be able to connect with people just like me who are having to do this job that may have hit some snags, that want to be able to bounce conversation back and forth. So leveraging your options and using the resources, that combination of technology through your resources, outstanding combination. If you're not getting engaged with the Levelset community, you're missing a huge opportunity to excel at your job. Be the credit manager your company needs by leveraging all the resources you have at your fingertips at Levelset.
This is just a small taste of a much larger class. You can take the full class for free at levelset.com. Join me.